How to redeem reward codes on monopolygo. So in this video I'll show you exactly how to claim those rewards step by step. So first head over to monopolygo.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by monopolygo's sleek interface. Now look to the left sidebar and find the reward codes option. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're there, you'll see an input box. This is where the magic happens. Have your rewards codes ready, either written down or copied to your clipboard. Simply click on the input box and type your monopolygo reward codes and hit your go button. Now if your code is valid, the rewards will be instantly be credited to your account, whether it's dice, rolls, or other cool in-game rewards. If the code is invalid, don't stress, double check it and try it again. Make sure that it's the right one. And that's how to redeem reward codes on monopolygo.